Hello, my friends. I am LeRaih Sun, and I am a flexologist, yoga instructor, personal trainer, herbalist, and mother. And let's not forget, wife. So I get this question all the time. LeRaih, how can you stretch? Your belly is big, you are 8 months pregnant, and you are still in the studio lifting big people, men and women alike. How do you do it? So my biggest answer is food. I know that sounds crazy, but nutrition is very, very important, especially while you are pregnant. Maintaining a nutritious lifestyle during pregnancy is ultra important. I cannot stress how important it is for you to be gaining the resources that you need to build a healthy, strong baby. That brings me to my next biggest answer, which is vitality. And this refers to the mother's physical and mental energy levels. Your vitality is ultimately going to determine how much energy you have to carry out tasks throughout the day, in addition to all of the nutrients that you absorb from your foods. Which brings me to my last biggest answer, which is movement. I cannot stress to you how easy it is not to move during pregnancy, especially when that third trimester kicks in and you just get tired, girl, for no reason. Getting up and walking, exercising, taking classes, doing yoga, weightlifting, whatever your choice of movement is, remain consistent because it's going to help you a lot in the end. And by end, I mean during labor. Your body will be warmed up, your pelvis will be loose, all those ligaments will be loose and fluid. You'll be hydrated, you'll be healthy enough to deliver your baby without epidural. So without medication, you'll be healthy enough to just deliver a healthy baby the way that you want it. And so my exercise is stretching. You people, big or small, and that's the magic.